Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive account. So as you can see here guys, under suggested I have my recently opened files. Under there I have my folders where I have grouped my files in, and if I scroll down even a bit more I can see all of my files that aren't grouped in any folder. So guys, let's go back to the top of the page. If you look at the left side of the screen, you will see multiple options that you can use for managing your files. You can see your drive, here you can see your shared files, your recent files, your trash, and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is use this and find the file that we want to transfer the ownership of. I'm going to be using this file right here. So guys, as you can see, I can first have to find my file right here. Now the first thing I have to do is go ahead and right click on the file that I want to transfer ownership for. Go ahead and right click guys, and this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options that you can use, such as sharing it, getting a link, showing the file location, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click the share button right here. So after clicking on share guys, you then have to share it with another person. As you can see, I am already sharing it right here with another account. So after you have started sharing it, then you want to go ahead and find the person that you want to transfer the ownership to. I'm going to be using this account right here, and then you're going to want to find this option right here, this arrow pointing downwards next to their name, and open it up. This will enable you to put what you want them to be, either a viewer, commenter, or editor. And here you have the option to transfer ownership. So what you can do guys is go ahead and click on transfer ownership, and then you can go ahead and send the invitation that you want them to become the owner of this file. After you click send, then they will have to accept, and after they accept guys, they will become the new owner of this file, and you will successfully transfer the ownership. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.